The sound of flavor. Understanding, satisfying crunch. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of descriptive language, specifically focusing on the phrase, satisfying crunch. This is a term often used in culinary contexts or when describing the texture of certain foods. Understanding these expressions will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also sharpen your sensory language skills. The phrase, satisfying crunch, combines two powerful words to create a vivid sensory experience. Let's break it down. 1. Satisfying. This word indicates a feeling of pleasure or contentment. When something is satisfying, it meets your expectations or desires, often in a very enjoyable way. 2. Crunch. This word is used to describe a sound or feeling when biting into something hard or crisp. It's not just any sound or texture. A crunch is distinctively sharp and often loud. When combined, satisfying crunch describes not just a sound or texture, but an experience. It implies that the act of biting into something and hearing that crisp, loud noise brings a sense of satisfaction or enjoyment. Satisfying crunch can be used in various contexts, but it's most commonly associated with food. Here are some examples. 1. Culinary descriptions. The sandwich had a satisfying crunch, thanks to the freshly toasted bread. 2. Product reviews. These potato chips are known for their satisfying crunch. 3. Narrative writing. She bit into the apple, savoring the satisfying crunch that echoed in the quiet room. In each case, the phrase, satisfying crunch, helps convey not just the sound or texture of the item but also the emotional response it evokes. Using sensory language like satisfying crunch makes communication more effective and engaging. It 1. Creates vivid imagery. Sensory words paint a clear picture in the listener's or reader's mind. 2. Evokes emotional responses. Descriptive language can trigger memories or feelings, making the experience more relatable and memorable. 3. Enhances detail. Sensory details add depth to storytelling or product descriptions, making them more interesting and informative. And that's the essence of satisfying crunch. It's not just about the sound or the action. It's about the whole delightful experience. We hope this exploration has added a flavorful crunch to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find that your language skills are just as satisfying.